Here's an example of how to create an array of objects in JavaScript. JavaScript. Const users equals ID 1, name Alice, age 25, ID 2, name Bob, age 30, ID 3, name Charlie, age 28. Breakdown. Users is an array that contains 3 objects. Each object represents a user with properties like ID, name, and age. Accessing data. You can access and manipulate this data like so. JavaScript. Console. Log, users, 0. Name, // output, Alice. Console. Log, users, 1. Age, // output, 30. Adding a new object. JavaScript. Users. Push ID 4. Name, David. Age, 35. Looping through the array. JavaScript. Users. For each user equals console. Log, $user. Name is $user. Age, years old. This is a simple and effective way to manage and manipulate structured data in JavaScript. More. Sure. Here's more detail and additional examples on creating and working with arrays of objects in JavaScript. 1. Creating an array of objects dynamically. You can dynamically create objects and push them into an array. JavaScript. Const products equals products. Push ID 1. Name laptop. Price 1200. Products. Push ID 2. Name phone. Price 800. Products. Push ID 3. Name tablet. Price 500. Console. Log products. 2. Array of objects with constructor functions. You can use a constructor function to create objects and populate the array. JavaScript. Function product ID. Name. Price. This. ID equals ID. This. Name equals name. This. Price equals price. Const inventory equals new product 1. TV 1500. New product 2. Soundbar 400. New product 3. Speaker 300. Console. Log inventory 3. Using classes to populate an array of objects. Classes provide a more modern way to create and manage objects. JavaScript. Class student, constructor, ID, name, grade. This. ID equals ID. This. Name equals name. This. Grade equals grade. Const students equals new student 1. John. A. New student 2. Emily. B+. New student 3. Michael. A dash. Console. Log students 4. Mapping over an array to create objects. If you have raw data, you can transform it into an array of objects. JavaScript. Const raw data equals 1. Chair 150. 2. Desk 300. 3. Lamp 80. Const furniture equals raw data. Map item equals ID item 0. Name item 1. Price item 2. Console. Log furniture 5. Filtering and finding objects in arrays. Finding. JavaScript. Const found equals products. Find product equals product. ID equals 2. Console. Log found // ID 2. Name phone. Price 800. Filtering. JavaScript. Const affordable equals products. Filter product equals product. Price 1000. Console. Log affordable. 6. Updating objects in an array. JavaScript. Products. For each product equals if product ID equals 2. Product. Price equals 750. // update price of phone. Console. Log products. 7. Deleting an object from an array. JavaScript. Const updated products equals products. Filter product equals product. ID equals 2. Console. Log updated products. 8. Combining arrays of objects. JavaScript. Const more products equals ID 4. Name monitor. Price 300. ID 5. Name keyboard. Price 100. Const all products equals products. More products. console, log, all products. Would you like me to dive deeper into any of these sections, or add more examples? Absolutely. Let's dive deeper into more advanced techniques for creating, managing, and manipulating arrays of objects in JavaScript. 9. Sorting an array of objects. You can sort an array of objects by a specific property using the sort method. JavaScript. Const books equals title, The Hobbit. Year, 1937. Title, Harry Potter. Year, 1997. Title, Dune. Year, 1965. // sort by year, ascending. Books. Sort A. B equals A. Year B. Year. Console. Log, books. // sort by title, alphabetically. Books. Sort A. B equals A. Title. Locale compare, B. Title. Console. Log, books. 10. Reducing an array of objects, aggregation. Use reduce to aggregate or compute a value from an array of objects. For example, calculating the total price of products. JavaScript. Const card equals item, laptop. Price, 1,200. Item, phone. Price, 800. Item, tablet. Price, 600. Const total equals cart. Reduce, sum. Product equals sum plus product. Price, 0. Console. Log, total price, $, total. 11. Merging properties of objects in an array. Suppose you want to combine properties from multiple objects with the same ID. JavaScript. Const details equals ID 1. Description, high-end laptop. ID 2. Description, latest smartphone. Const prices equals ID 1. Price, 1,500. ID 2. Price, 900. Const merged equals details. Map detail equals detail. Prices. Find price equals price. ID equals detail. ID. Console. Log merged. 12. Nested arrays of objects. Sometimes, objects may contain nested arrays of objects. Here's how to handle them. JavaScript. Const orders equals order ID 1. Items.